Hi guys, welcome to ARS Buddies. Today we're going to talk about Christmas and do a Santa craft. So why do we celebrate Christmas? We celebrate it to remember the birth of Jesus. Jesus? Christians believe that Jesus is the Son of God. These are the things we need to make our craft. Oh, not this Santa. This Santa. I'm gonna make this red paper into a cone. I'm gonna glue this part. When do we celebrate Christmas? In the United States, we celebrate Christmas on December 25th. But you know what? Not all people celebrate Christmas on the same day. Some people in Egypt, Russia, Ethiopia, and some other countries celebrate Christmas on January 7th. Let's move on to the face part. I'm going to cut this part. It's all ready to stand. I'm going to cut a rectangle. I'm rolling his beard with a pencil. I'm gonna cut this for his face. I'm gonna glue his face to the beard like this. Time for his mustache. Who was Santa? There was a man named Saint Nicholas who was born around 800 years ago. He loved helping people who are poor and needy. He likes to surprise people around the neighborhood by giving gold coins and gifts. Even after his death, people kept passing gifts and surprises for each other. Continuing the tradition of Saint Nicholas is good for us because we get gifts too. People call him with different nicknames, but we call him Santa Claus. Now I'm gonna glue his head to the cone. My Santa's done. You know there's a separate day for St. Nicholas. It's It's December 6th. It's called St. Nicholas Day. Keep sharing gifts and happiness to everyone around you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! See you in our next awesome video. Thanks for watching. Bye!